with no machine at all. When I look at bakers who would want to say, bring me, okay, they walk in here and they're like, hi, Kugi, I would like to start a baking business. So my husband asked me for a plan. He asked me for a budget. So please write for me the things I need. I'm like, actually need nothing. Because the ones that I have seen who have like set themselves like that, gone with a list and then spent 40 million buying machines and what, don't pull it off in the end. Because people are not going to trust you with orders today, tomorrow. So imagine you have spent 40 million and you have bought all these machines, and then you mix, maybe imagine so many cakes and put them there and then wait for people. Do you think people will just come? No,
just like less than 100.
Less than 100k, but less than 50k, you can start a cake.
And then if I don't have a machine, what do I do? Sigiri?
I said mulao. If you don't have an oven, yes, you can bake on your sigiri. You can bake on your gas oven. You can bake. People bake with firewood in the villages.
Yes.
I mean, just come and learn. We actually teach baking. We teach baking here. So if you want me to teach you how to bake on gas and sigiri and what, I can do that. Yes. So we teach in the villages. We teach people to bake.
So I think
when we are
with passion.
Yes, it starts with your passion, yes. And then you should know that you're going to bake a cake and then a client is going to trash it. You know? Yes, as in they'll say, what kind of cake is this? And I've been buying cake from Sheraton, from Serena, from what? I just bought trash. We actually threw it in the bin and we had to send for another cake and what. So you have to
push you more.
Yes, so if you are somebody who gives up so quickly, you're going to be like, I don't think this is my thing. How come other people are baking and making it? But those people did not sell their first 10 cakes in a week. No. You can just make one cake a week.
But give to a friend. And
that's why I would say that start with what you want. Yes, and then grow your business. So I keep telling new bakers, if you just start the baking business, make your first cake, sell it. Actually, when you are beginning, you first give out free cake. When there's a function with the family, you'll be like, I'll bring cake. Yes. So that you're going to take your cake and they'll be like, wow, who baked this cake? And be like, yours truly. You know? Yes. And you'll be like, oh, this is so nice. Please, my child's birthday is on this. There's already somebody who has a birthday. Yes. And I'll be like, please bake for me. So when you bake for that first person, they're the ones that are going to sell you, because it's rare that you're going to have cake cut by 1-2 people. They're usually 3, 4, 5, 10, 20, 50. And of all those, there'll be one person who loves the cake and will want to know why.
So word of mouth
sells cake, because like you don't have to shout it so loud out there. Word of mouth will sell you, because all you need to do is make good cake and send it out there. It will speak for you and bring good.
Now there are these ones who are like, oh, I want to lose weight, my stomach. Do you have cakes for like?
I have tried the weight loss thing, but it doesn't work with cake. Yeah.
That one doesn't work with cake.
No sugar.
You just have to eat and then you detox. Simple. You eat detox. But then
so you can't have a weight loss cake.
No. We have a chip. How can it taste? No.
Maybe
because you need sugar in there. You need egg.
I should try it. Maybe I'll bake it for you with salt and cabbage.
No.
No. You know what? Me, I eat when I have a cheat day, so I binge eat. When I want to eat, I eat.
So you want to make a weight loss cake?
I actually started to bake because I was eating a lot of cake. And someone told me, you need to bake a lot so that you can stop eating. That smell, being in the kitchen every day baking will make you stop eating cake. But I can promise you, I can still cut my like, and I'll go out somewhere and I'll ask for tea and cake. And everyone is looking at me like really? Are you like you have eaten? I'm like, yeah, piece of cake please. Milk tea please.
Hey, milk tea is a couple.
Yeah, it's very good.
Yeah, so
Valentine's, it's love month.
Valentine's.
Yes, it's a love month.
We are baking. We already have orders for Valentine's.
Oh,
some businesses have styled up.
You know?
Yes, they order and book and pay well in advance.
Nice.
Like we have people who paid for their Valentine's dates at the beginning of the year. So our orders are already there. Yes. So you can say to
who is placing more orders? Ladies or gentlemen?
The gentlemen, because
your kids.
I have realized that on Valentine's Day the ladies are more on the receiving end. Oh. Yes. Oh no, can I make you laugh? Do you know how guys order for cake? Hi, Cookie. You know Valentine is coming. Please, how much 150,000. Like, you know my wife. Huh? Yes. So what do you think she'll take? And of course I'll say 200,000, like 150. Like, please make that cake and deliver it for me on that day. That is done. Cambode with that.
But at least is remembered. Is that also love?
And I love it that way, you know.
Yes.
And I keep saying, put the pressure off yourself. You know, if you know your wife, your girlfriend loves Valentine's Day, make them happy. What does it cost you? Like, you can go out there, you sit in a bar and spend over 200,000, 500K on your friends, buying alcohol and coke and whatever it is, you know. So if it is Valentine's Day, and you know everybody is celebrating love. You know, I've had all these guys saying, "Me, I don't believe in Valentine's Day."
Because every day is Valentine's.
And I love you every day. Like, what is with Valentine's? Like, okay, love me every day, love me on Valentine's Day too. You know?
Okay, then love me every day and gift me every day. Then
Do they
you can sustain that.
Are you dreaming?
I know that's what I'm saying exactly. So if you're coming up with that kind of excuse, then surprise me every day. I can switch.
Which is lollipop. And of course,
So
most
now
of the people who
comes.
say I love you every day, I can't Valentine's Day. By the way, are the guys who don't even gift.
Those ones now they are there.
That's who rarely gift or don't even gift at all. But when somebody is
stingy.
naturally a giver,
Yes.
he has no problem buying a gift on Valentine's Day. I mean, if I have been gifting you every day, why not on Valentine's Day? So I'll buy you a gift on Valentine's Day as well. Yes. So we have that mentality. So I keep saying, you're not to have peace in your home. You're not going to buy this gift of flower on Valentine's Day, and then you're going to have your wife pulling her mouth like for the next 3 months. So if you want
I'm not talking.
if you want peace, like, buy that cake, buy that bouquet of flowers. You don't even have to go and deliver. Send the delivery guys. Like, you're going to call us, order cake at the baker's yard. We are going to deliver it to your loved one. You don't even have to come by, and pick it. 10K border. You know, the cake is at her office. And then she's like, who is this? Oh my God, I have a baker's yard. So they call, hello, this is baker's yard. Just received the cake. Who ordered it? I'm like, so who are you? Bina Babie. Like, Bina Babie.
My dream
girl. It was anonymous. Yes. I'll say it's from your husband. And of course she's going to be all over. The husband, what? She's going to post. She's going to put everywhere. And imagine what will happen when she gets home. Imagine how many good days you have. You have spent 100K. Even when you didn't mean it. You understand? Even if it wasn't from the bottom of the heart. But imagine how many good days you're going to have with your wife after just that.
Those small things. That's what I'm saying. Like most guys overlook. Not even guys, maybe ladies, but guys mostly. They overlook those small things because that can put a smile on my face. Like you say, like Bina said, I become generous. I start calling you, but I got to put out.
You do. It comes naturally. It comes naturally. Like, anybody will want to receive.
But then you're talking about guys giving Valentine's. I understand because we ladies are always on the receiving side. How about we ladies on Valentine's? And we're supposed to do something small.
We are supposed to. I said the guys because all the others I have already are
for men.
from men.
How embarrassing.
Yes.
Are from men. That's what I'm saying. Like, what are ladies supposed to be like?
So many times the ladies will say, my guy there likes sweet things. He doesn't eat cake and what. But sometimes, sending the cake, he'll share it with his friends. Of course, some shy.
I know.
You embarrassed me. You embarrassed me. We were in a meeting and somebody just came in with a red cake.
You can tell me that.
I'm so embarrassed.
African men don't ever tell me that.
Well, you can give him cake and you share it with whoever he'll be around. At that time. There's so many gifts you can give guys. You can. They are tired of the boxers and the vests. They are tired of them because that's what we are gifting every time. So you can give him a wallet.
Okay.
Yes. You can give him a beautiful key holder.
Oh.
You can give him a picture of him. Like, do an art piece of him. There are all these hanging beautiful ones. You can give it to him and hang it in your room or your house after. You know,
that's a reminder. Like,
okay, the love of my life.
Then hankies, but you can't put it
for
on
the
the
lovely
meeting.
person you have been. You know, I love you. Happy Valentine's
And they're
Day.
tired of hankies.
Boxers, vests, and hankies. I think let those ones rest. It's Valentine's Day. If you can make it big, tires. You have seen those 4 tires with a bow, with a red bow, and the guys are like, those are the kind of gifts we want as guys.
Tires.
If you can afford, yes.
Why not?
Do you know
My goodness.
Do you know what that investment
That prayer is about
It depends on the couple. Man, you find yourself like I'm at 1M.
Yes, 1M. But do you know how much 1M can fetch you? Did you ever think about that? This guy is going to tell all his friends, guess what my wife did? She got meters. What? You may even get a new car. You can have lots of land.
That's why I think we are
You
going
can
to get
get
cars.
singles.
We are giving them
small things.
hankies.
Yeah.
So we should.
You should be very generous.
It's called investment.
How about if I put investment? How about if I put money? You just give money. How about that?
That one, I think money, he will just, it depends on the guy, but he'll just waste money.
I wouldn't.
I want something tangible.
I would want money.
And these days, in roses.
I keep telling her, I
Yes.
need money.
I would personally want money, but I don't think I would want to give my husband money.
I think that
I don't know if he would be moved if I give him my 100K and he has 500K in his pocket. Like,
Yeah,
no,
but
but
I think,
I think gifts,
I think we need to
That's when
see
you make-
pictures.
that's why I love cake. Because for 100K, you are going to get a cake.
you're gonna share it with your loved
That thought,
Yeah.
that taste, the people that share this cake.
You'd be like, that's how
That,
it
you know, somebody cannot equate. Someone can't give it a price. If you give somebody this, they can't give it a price.
No,
No, they can't.
They cannot, you know. But 100K, like, really?
Really? 100K?
You know?
Am
They
I worth
put
worth 100K?
That is what I tell people, like, for Christmas. If you're gifting a family, you know, Easter, gift a family cake. Something like cake is it's going to be shared by the whole family. You are going to buy this whole hanging for this family, yeah? And it doesn't fit in their house. Like,
Yes.
see class here, you understand it? Or the color doesn't match the decor, or they don't like the message, no thank you. Or, you know, you are going to buy them a percolator, I don't know, you're going to buy them a flower piece. And they're not flower people. And then their child is going to break it the next day. You know, all that. But cake is something everybody is going to eat, and they many times, especially if it's from the baker's yard, they're going to be talking about it.
And then you will get more customers.
Definitely, you are now that family can become my customer. Because you did it because you loved me, you loved my cake, you bought them a cake, and before you know it, they are my customers, and then there are others also become my customers.
I went for the cake a little bit.
Excuse me, people are asking what is the main topic.
The main topic you're listening.
Do you find out? Okay. Okay, I want to find out. Away from the baking world. You're married. How long have you been married for?
I've been married for 15 years.
Okay.
15.
So
And you're not stressed.
that's secret. That's not like the secret because you're glowing. What is the secret?
Oh,
Because me, I fear marriage.
I'm
I'm gonna be honest.
I
I
think it's
fear.
rare to find somebody
I
who's
think
married and
people
still
there.
is like,
I know. I just feel I'm like, oh, no.
some people get stressed.
By the way,
So what is the secret?
I'll re-echo what they said, that marriage is what you make it. Like, you just choose you. By the way, I choose you.
Okay.
Yeah,
So
like, I choose me. I will make everybody happy. I will do my part as a wife. I'll do my part as a mother. I will do my part as a friend, as an in-law. But I'll do me. Like, I'll do me. I'll keep my friends, and I will meet them once in a while, and I will laugh away the stress. You know, I will laugh away whatever is bothering me. But the biggest thing that can keep you alive in marriage is your friends. Is your friends. Of course, it's better to have married friends. Yeah? You don't have to. You wouldn't want to have the friends you'll be out with, and if you guys I need to go, and like 9 hours go, it's still early one.
Yes.
You know, you need to have friends who will also say, "Oh, I together. So good is already calling. Good is already calling. Then we go and start."
So most people they do
That's
themselves
right.
Yes. So
because you're living your life for the man.
yes.
You don't want to go out. He goes out. Meanwhile,
Of course.
you don't want to look good. He looks good. So I understand. So you're married, yes, you're one, but still you have a life.
You have to have a life of your own. Like your happiness shouldn't be derived from your spouse. You shouldn't wait for him to be the one to take you out. You shouldn't wait for him to be the one to treat you. You shouldn't wait for him to be the one to make you laugh. I mean, he may not be humorous. Are you going to be
I
bitter
know.
for the rest of your life?
So on the list, I want someone who is humorous, someone who has a sense of humor.
And
But you're gonna get the opposite. What do?
You find
Yourself.
and many times because you love humor, you're a humorous person. But opposites attract. We find ourselves attracted to people who are not humorous when you are humorous. Yes. So, and then you expect him to be some clown of sorts. So some days he comes stressed and he cannot make you laugh. You know. Yes. So just do you. Like do you.
You know what? Also, I used to wonder why people who are married, they distance themselves from us who are single. And I was like, is it because we are single? They think we'll steal their men? Or what?
Especially that bit where you would say, then you start saying, 1, 2, 3, Abana, 1, 2, 3, my husband, 1, 2, 3, happy, really, so they're like, so they'll go with it. So you start to say, then I mean, you know what's happened? My child decided to come from school and she was all that into the kids are walking. And then,
happy husbands. I know. I understand. It's bad vibe actually. You talked about like moments where someone nigga and when you get out for like let me say 2 months or 3. How do you deal with that annoying bit? Because man, we are human. Mood swings easy. How do you deal with that?
Get annoyed. No, you get annoyed. Like
you're not talking. It happens.
In marriage, you get annoyed because whatever you can quarrel with your siblings. Like what about this dude that has come from out there?
Different background.
Yeah, their style of raising, the way they were raised up, the things they value are totally different, and what they are definitely bound to get onto your nerves.
Yeah.
So what do you do? So I attended this marriage conference, and they gave us a poster, like plucked from the middle of a book.
Yeah.
That's the 2 pages, the 2 papers. So they gave everybody that and said, on one side, write the things you love about your spouse, and on the other side, write the things you do not love about your spouse. I can assure you that not anybody had more than 3 or 4 things on the things you don't love.
Really?
It is usually 1, 2, 3 maximum things you don't love. Those things get to your nerves.